All right, today is a double whammy review. First, we're gonna try my limited edition Southern style custard. Second one I had to buy because the first one I let go bad. And then Brackish nightcap espresso vodka to spike it. All right, already mixed, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a sip of that. Whew, maybe I put a little too much, but it's good. All right, simple, easy way to spike it if you're not into like traditional eggnog. All right, second thing, hot and spicy chicken wings, limited edition kettle chips from Publix. My hope is that these have more flavor than the other ones we've tried up to this point. Here we go. Okay. They're not hot or very spicy, but they're delicious. They have more flavor than the others, I think, so I'd get these again. Yay!